Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today nama Skoda Kushaq Oda review pakalam. First nama engine and transmission pathi pakalam. Engine type pathing and a 1.5 TSI petrol engine. Engine displacement. Pathing and a 1498 cubic centimeters fuel type pathing and a petrol. Max power output pathing and a 147.51 bhp at 5000-6000 rpm. Max torque pathing and a 250 Nm at 1500-3500 rpm. Emission norm pathing and a BS6 Skoda Kushaq. Number of cylinders 4. Transmission. Pathing and a manual and automatic. Gearbox 6-speed. Drive type FWD paddle shift not available in Kushaq. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires pathi pakalam. Suspension front McPherson suspension with lower triangular links and stabilizer bar. Suspension rear twist beam axle. Brakes front disc. Brakes rear drum. Tire size pathing and a 205/55 R17. Alloy wheel size R17. Tire type. Tubeless radial Skoda Kushaq. Next interior dimensions pathi pakalam. Seating capacity 5. Doors 5. Boot space 385 liters. Fuel capacity 50 liters. Next variants and price tag pathi pakalam. 1.5 TSI style variant pathing and a around 16.20 rupees lakh. Next walk around view pakalam. Next interior view pakalam. This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, save motoring.